So guys, right now we will be going to McDonald's, and our driver for today is Erwin. So let's go. I'll be a passenger for today. We have our passports.
Passport also ba?
Yes. Yes, I have. McDonald's. We'll eat unhealthy food. Alright guys, we're now going to McDonald's in Harlingen.
Take picture now of the driver.
And the driver for today is Engineer Erwin Licera. He is a good driver.
We'll drive for like 100 miles.
We'll drive for
Beer and beer?
no drink and the ride. Okay, so here in the passenger seat is our navigator, Faril, Engineer Faril.
I memorized the name. Faril will drive back home.
He'll drive back home when Erwin gets drunk. Wow, it's so beautiful here, guys. The houses here are magnificent, as you can see in the movies. We'll go to the Buhangin interchange. Wow, it's so amazing. Donald.
There's a battery.
Oh, it's hybrid car.
So if it's moving, it's charging.
It's like Kia Rio.
Okay, turn right.
Diretso lang. Straight. Oh.
Sure about that?
Straight lang. After the manual sir, oh.
See?
Kambiada.
What about straight, no? What about straight?
Wow.
Go here.
Go straight, straight.
What about straight? Wait.
What do you mean straight?
Straight. Follow the one.
Straight.
Here?
Yeah.
Go.
Here.
Yep, straight. Okay. The roundabout.
With the highway.
In Netherlands, roundabouts are famous.
Highway sign. It's a highway sign.
In Netherlands, roundabouts are very famous. It eases traffic congestion compared to the interchange. We'll stay in this lane if we don't want to overtake, but
Okay, relax lang ta guys. Dili siya mag-prank tree, so we have to program this to less than 100.
You can use the oil.
Naka-program 130. Pero 100 lang. Lukbot pa 100.
Cruise control.
papas-pasa Eloy, yo, 88 ang mata. Paspas-pasa.
Kasi okay na.
Ayaw pang bitter na, ayaw pang
Okay.
Parang Pinas.
Okay, include me in your video, then send it to me.
Wow. Lot of windmills in Netherlands.
Ito na hangin.
Wala ka nagatuyo ko.
Wait, ito na hangin.
Ha?
Ito na hangin.
Hindi mo na. Meron ka na ng tamang gani sa accident.
like James Bond.
Simple, yeah?
Like that? Oh, he's too slow. What the heck? So guys, we are now here in Lake something, the Great Lake in Veringerver. Please forgive me for my pronunciation. I'm not really good at it. Wow, it's so beautiful. Veringerver. So this is what we call a bridge, and they have a dike here somewhere.
Which dike?
This is the bridge, I think. Wow, it's so beautiful. This is Davao Gulf. Just kidding. This is the Veringerver, the man-made lake, or the lake. Oh, we have ducks there swimming. It's a real lake. A very big lake. So beautiful. You can't see anything from beyond the horizon, or the beyond. I think it's because there's a lot of fog. The water.
What's the dike? They know this is the dike.
This is the dike at the left.
Netherlands is -3 below.
Because yeah, that's right. Netherlands is -3, or Veringerver is -3 meters below sea level. That's why they don't want water rushing in. They want to keep the lake water intact as well. That's why they have this dike right here. Guys, if you can see beyond the fog, there's a windmill farm. This is where Netherlands is famous for. Wow, it's so amazing. Yeah, there's a lot of fog in the ocean. So beautiful. Wow, windmill farm, wind farm.
Layo ka mga McDo.
Wow, we're almost there. Wind farms here. You can see the wind. Wow. So beautiful right there, huh? Wow, it's so big. Harlingen Osport.
Wi-Fi gratis.
I know that's not McDo. This is the McDo, yeah. Same as in Philippines. So this is McDonald's. McDingles. Wow.
Tama ba? Hindi lang.
Kira?
Sini pag nipig tabad mo.
So guys, it's a good weather. Really great weather here. So behind me is the McDonald's. So wow. People are watching. Oh my god. McDonald's. Yeah, para mag-McDo sa Davao. Beautiful here. Good morning. Cheeseburger. Ay, isa lang ka order.
Big Mac ka?
Mahal na Big Mac eh.
Isa lang sa quarter pounder.
Mahal ligaw siya. Sige, Big Mac ako.
Big Mac ka tanan.
No coffee lang. Wow, it's so...
Siyempre ko na itong order na to niya, diba?
Oo.
Sunod naman ito.
So... Ayan. Hindi man to. Init mo na ito. Init mo na ito. Guys, init kayo. It's so hot. It's as if we're burning. So we're here and it's very expensive, amazing.
Euro.
So should we try this again? I don't think so.
We paid the burgers €4.
It's very expensive. Our driver is tired.
100 lang. Yeah, but there's no leaves. Next week it will have leaves.
Walang water.
Yeah, it's summer.
Lamit. More gulay here.
Huh?
More vegetable.
What? McDo lang.
Naman.
What is that? It's the same McDo. The same nugget, the same everything. Yeah. Yes.
How much does the nuggets and how much does the toys there cost?
There's no toys.
Papa, I should buy a new toy.
What?
Ang galibig na sa iyo.
Why?
Okay.
Why he bought new stuff toy?
1, 2,
Why?
3, 4, 5.
Why?
There.
Okay.
Kasi chelad lang.
Okay. Eating pa.
Ito nakadulong.
Flip naman.
Pagka.
Ito siya.
Patatag yun eh.
Ito siya. Pwede ba?
Ay mo dito yung ni Dennis gahapon. Ito daw ta dere kay
Mag-eat.
dapat pero
So we'll go to the mall. So we'll go to Harlingen, Oostpoort, Harlingen, Outpost. Yeah, just out there here. Wow, look, a Mustang. Wow, it's amazing. So small. Mustang. Wow. Flowers. Wow, beautiful flowers. What's up guys? So, nakauwi na kami. So, we just got home from our trip to McDonald's and on the way we went to the groceries, bought some stuff and went home. So ngayon, we are already done with the laundry and everything, cleaning the house. So, it's just that I'd like to ask you lang guys, if you have enjoyed my video or if you enjoyed my video, please hit that subscribe button and please like this video so that I can create more content. So,